960. Thanks for joining me this evening. Tonight, I am a little bit under the weather, so sorry about my voice. Sorry about my appearance. I have a little bit of the flu, a little bit of bronchitis. I have an eye infection, all of the above. So can't actually, even though we have beautiful weather in San Antonio today, can't be outside. So I decided to do a video that I've been wanting to do for a while. It's a bit on a serious subject. It's entitled, Why Everybody Needs a Dash Cam. So at the end of this segment, hopefully you'll agree with me on the subject. It's something that's very near and dear to my heart. I drive for a living. I repair office equipment. Every day I'm out there on the roads and I see the craziest stuff. Most people have a 30, 40 minute, trip to work, commute to work. And I drive all day, every day. So I've been doing this for about 20 years now. Everyone needs a dash cam. And like I said, after you see a couple of these clips, hopefully you'll agree with me. I am not endorsed, paid or anyway by any dash cam company, even though some may be mentioned in this video. But definitely there has been no money changing hands, especially in my direction. Alrighty, so the first video I'm going to start off with is a little on the funny side. To set it up, this guy had already pulled out of a parking lot. I had right of way, cut me off. I, stayed passive, surprisingly, and decided to just let him go, on his own way. I was actually in my 15 EcoBoost Mustang at that time, and I was really happy that day because I had just done some mods. I think I just put a cold air intake on it and a blow-off valve. So I was just kind of testing it out on this little kind of abandoned road near my house, one of my test places, if you know what I mean. So, we're going into this curve, and all of a sudden I realized that this guy is, I guess he's trying to race me. And he's in a full-size Dodge truck. Sometimes those truck guys just aren't the brightest ones out of the bunch. But I look down, and we're in the middle of a curve, and I'm doing 55 miles an hour, and I'm going, how is this truck still on the road? Well, you'll see. The loud noise is, besides me laughing, is him actually blowing his tire out. So let's check this one out. I think you'll enjoy it. So I thought that was funny. I know he didn't, but hey, that's what happens when you're an ass. So every now and then you'll catch something, funny, silly, or something amazing that your friends are not going to believe you. In a million years that happened, you may catch it on your dash cam. So we'll go on to the next one. The next one is I actually got rear-ended because the car in front of me was trying to make an illegal lane change, and even though I was blowing on my horn profusely, the little girl behind me still managed to rear end me, even though I was stopped for a few seconds. She had plenty of time to stop. And of course the guy got away that caused the accident, and the police didn't really care about him anyway. All they cared about was who hit me. So check this one out. This is another reason why everyone should have a dash cam.
Fucking idiot. God damn it. Fucking idiot. Motherfucker.
Now this one's just out there. It's outrageous, and it just goes to show you I would have been screwed without this dash cam. So I'm just sitting at a red light, minding my own business. It's a Friday of all days, end of day, and I'm going home, or so I thought I was. And an 18-wheeler decides to turn in front of me too sharp, and his trailer just speed bumps over the front of my car. My Gotta Have It Green 2014 6-speed manual V6. That I love that car. Let me know in the comments if you liked my Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift 180 that I had to pull to catch up with this 18-wheeler. And keep in mind, listen to my exhaust, how fast I had to catch up, how fast I had to go to catch up with this guy. Let me know what you think.
Oh shit. God damn it. Fuck, man. Fuck. Okay, we're on the northbound access road. Thank you.
Alright, so now comes the more serious part of the video, and this is an accident that my wife was in. Luckily, I had the dash cam. I spent about $400 on this dash cam. It was a Blackview DR650. There's been several models since then. Of course, this was about 2 years ago. But it records in the front and the back in 1080p, and we were very lucky that we had this. Now, you guys know Rated R Cars, and he has a saying where he wants us to always be kinder than necessary. And sorry, Brian, it's not going to happen this time. The person that ran into my wife will be known as the ghetto chick. Okay, caused the accident, did not have insurance, did not stop, kept on going, did not come back to the scene of the accident until about 15 minutes later. So you will see from the video footage, my wife, although she was slightly injured, she could have been killed in this accident, and the lady kept on going. Okay. So the ghetto chick with no insurance that caused the accident, that left the scene of the crime, scene of the accident, and it was a crime. Yeah, you'll understand how upset I was when you see the video. And this person also bought insurance on their phone while they were gone. So they wouldn't get a ticket from the police officer, and also tried to sue us for causing the accident, which in the video you will see who caused the accident. So in altogether, there was an accident in the oncoming lane also. that kind of sparked this accident. So it was a 4-car accident, and out of the 4 cars, the 2 cars that caused the accident, neither one of them had insurance. So this is definitely the main reason why everyone needs a dash cam. So there you go, guys. You saw we were completely in the right. You saw the person who caused the accident flee the scene, okay, of what something that could have turned out to be a serious injury or, even a deadly accident to my wife. So, it seems that you only have rights after you break the law. Now, we had insurance. We did not cause the accident. At the same time, the person who didn't have insurance and fled the scene and tried to pretend like they had insurance pretty much got off scot-free. So there was $26,000 of damage done to the truck, and this truck was 3 months old. And the way we came out feeling, we felt like we were the victims. But without the video, the lady was trying to sue us. So without this video, it would have been her word against ours, okay? So she was definitely trying to get money. The video saved us from having to spend thousands of dollars on a lawyer just to defend ourselves. It's that type of situation. I did tell the police officer several times I wanted the policy number and the 800 number to her insurance. 3-4 times I asked for it. It was raining. The tow truck driver was loading the truck up without us getting our valuables out. There were several things going on at one time, just like there is at any accident scene. So when we called the next day, the insurance company told us, no, your accident happened at 11:30. This insurance policy started at 11:55. So, hey, there you go. It's not covered. So that's why I'm saying everyone needs a dash cam, guys. This could happen to you. There's people out there who, cause accidents on purpose, to try to get money. Don't be a victim. One way to think of it is like this. Everyone gets that top of the line home security system after their house gets broken into. That's backwards. That is very much backwards. Okay? So anyway, $400 has saved us thousands and thousands of dollars, believe me. So tell me what you think, guys. Comment. Don't forget to subscribe if you are, this is your first time to the channel. And if you think someone's interested in it, then share the video. Alrighty. Until the next time, I'm gone in 60, and we'll see you soon.